Okay, friends. If you have your box next to you, could you please find the quarter, the coin that's in the box? See if you can find the coin that's in the box.
Okay. In here.
Yeah, take it out of the bag, find the coin. And
Is that my coin?
I'm going to show you guys something really cool.
Papa, is that my coin or is that your coin?
Some random coins. I don't know. Does everybody have their coin? Good.
I cannot reach mine.
You can't reach yours? You should try opening the bag. There it is.
I got it.
Nice, Juliana. Good. Good. Lana's got hers. Gregory, what's up? Gregory and Juliana, you're going to be in different rooms now?
Mine. I don't know where's mine. Gregory is freezing.
Yeah, he's freezing a little bit. Who doesn't know where their coin is?
I have the box. Can I just grab the coin from
Okay.
my
All right, hang on. I'm going to mute everybody for 1 second, please.
I'm
going to mute everyone for a second. So everybody hold your coin up. You have it. Don't eat it, Eitan. Don't eat your coin. There's Red. Good. We have everybody now. So we'll start when I can see everybody's coins. I know that Gregory, you didn't have a coin in the box, but you can grab another quarter from somewhere. Good. He's got one. Good. Rami, do you have your coin with you? Can you show us your coin? Perfect. Oh, here comes Spencer. Perfect. Now we got everybody. Okay. Okay, I want everybody to...
Hi, Elliot.
Hi, Elliot. Everybody hold up your coin, please. Mr. Bird, can you show us your coin? Noun Boy, can we see your coin as well, please? I want to be able to see everybody's coins. Good. I guess Noun Boy and Mr. Bird don't want to play with us. That's okay. All right, now that you've got your coins, did you guys know that by looking at your coin, you can actually, now I can't unmute everybody. Where did that go? That's weird. Hang on a second. I don't see a way of unmuting everyone. Allow participants to unmute themselves. Can you guys all unmute yourselves, please? If you can, unmute yourselves.
I can't show my coin because I don't know which animal today. Can we watch animals today?
I think Eitan, you are going to do something about animals yourself, aren't you? Something about animals yourself.
No, how do I tell it to everyone?
Okay, all right, so everybody look at their coin, and I want to see if you can all find somewhere on your coin is a year. It's a four-digit year. Some of the quarters, it might be on the front, some of the quarters, it might be on the back. See if you can find 4 numbers on your quarter.
2018.
2018, good, Sammy. Who else found theirs? Juliana?
2005.
All right.
1005.
Let me try this again.
1005.
I'm going to try to mute everybody one more time and do one person at a time. Lisa, can you unmute yourself?
Yes.
Good. Very good, Lisa. What year is your quarter? Does it have a date on there? Can you find the numbers?
No.
While Lisa's looking, Gregory, what about you, buddy?
I have deleted myself.
Who found the year on their quarter? Sammy got 2018. Remy, what you got? You got to unmute yourself, Remy, please. Can you unmute yourself? Good.
1966. Oh no, 1966.
1966.
Mm-hmm.
Wow, look, guys, Remy's quarter was made in 1966. That means that that coin, Remy, is older than your parents. It's probably almost as old as your grandparents. Juliana, what about you?
Sasha,
Unmute yourself, please. Yes, Lisa, did you find yours?
Mine is the same.
Yours is the same?
Yes.
What does it mean, the same?
Sasha.
19. Yes, Lana.
У меня нету никакой number на coin.
Nieto, did you check the front and the back?
Yeah, I did.
Can you hold it up really close to the camera? Maybe we can help you find it. Okay, it's going to be on that side, Lana, the side that you're showing me. It's going to be there. Look at the very bottom. See if you can find it. Rami, did you find yours? Hang on, I got to unmute, please.
Zero.
Unmute yourself, please, Rami.
I have in 1859 and 2005.
2005. Okay, that must be when it was made.
Or I see.
Yes. Who else got theirs?
I have.
You found it, Lana? What's yours?
What?
What is it?
What?
What? Like 2001? What about you, Daniel? Did you find yours?
I have 2019.
319. Wow, so Daniel's was made last year.
But I which one I have? 2014.
2014. Perfect, Lana. That's the year that. Who was born in 2014? Dove. Dove was born in 2014. Lana was born in 2014. Rami was born in 2014. Who else?
I in 2014 too.
Awesome. Look at that. So we have a bunch of kids.
I was almost in 14. I was in 13.
2013. And very good. Aya and Shana, you found yours, right?
2014. No,
2000
15.
2015. Who was born in 2015? Aya? Who else was born? Lisa? Were you born in 2015, Lisa? Spencer was born in 2014. I know that. Spencer was born in 2014. Okay. Very good. Okay. Did everybody have a chance to tell me the date? Eitan, did you find yours?
Mine has 2017.
Oh, 2017. Okay, so yours is like 3 years old. I've got 3 quarters here. Mine, look, I have one here. This one, I don't know if you guys can see that. It's kind of hard to see on the camera. This one was made in 1982. That's the year that I was born. So this coin is as old as I am, right here. And this one,
Are you old?
I'm 38 years old. And this one was made in 1994. 1994. So that's over 15 years ago. No, 20, almost 26 years ago. And this one was made in 2006.
5.5.
Yeah, Eitan is 5.5. So Eitan was also born in 2014. Very cool. Okay, so you all have your coins. We all know the years that they were made. Bless you, Dove. And now I want to ask you this question. Has anybody ever flipped a coin to decide like a problem with somebody or a conflict with somebody? Like who gets to go first? Or what are we going to, or which movie are we going to watch tonight? Are we going to watch The Incredibles or are we going to watch Toy Story 3? Right? Rami is nodding. Rami, tell me about a time. I'm going to mute everybody else. I'm going to try this one more time. Rami, just unmute you. And now, Rami, tell me about a time when you used a coin to solve a problem.
We thought with my sister who made the it's house, it's Schoolhouse, it's who's better, and we flipped a coin, and I saw that it's like rolling, and it like bouncing, and fell on me. Why are you always doing that? Okay, what? I can't hear you, Sasha. He's just talking like this. Okay, Sasha, go. Say something, Sasha. I can't hear you.
How about now? Hear me okay now?
Yes, we
Okay,
can
sorry.
hear you.
Sorry about that. Okay, I'm back though. So Rami used a coin, the flip of a coin to solve a problem with his sister, to solve a disagreement. What about you, Juliana? I see your hand up. Can you tell me about a time when you used the coin to solve a conflict or a problem?
Not a flip of a coin. I have two other quarters, and they were both made in 2019.
Oh, very cool. Okay, so just last year. So they're pretty new. And does anybody else have an example of when they used a coin to solve a problem or a disagreement? Yes, Lisa, can you unmute yourself, Lisa, please?
Yes.
Okay, tell me, Lisa.
So we had a problem with my mom.
Uh-huh.
And I was like playing with Legos, and my mommy don't can, so we like flipped the coins, and I got ahead, and so we played together again.
Oh, okay, so you wanted to play Legos again, but your mom didn't want to play, and so you said, let's flip a coin, and if it comes up heads, then we'll play again. But if it comes up tails, then we're not going to play, right?
Yes.
And it came up heads, and so you won, and so you got to play again. Very good. And anybody else have an example of when they use the coin to solve a problem? No, nobody else? Sammy, never? Remy, no? Okay, perfect. Okay, now I've got a harder question now. Maybe Dove can help us with this too. Why do we use a coin to solve a problem? Why is it a good way to solve a disagreement? This is a tough question, so take your time and think about it. Dove, maybe you have some ideas? Why is flipping a coin, a good way to solve a problem?
Because there's the same chance.
Oh, well, come over here and say that.
No, I can't.
Okay, well, I'll tell you what Dove said. Dove said the reason that flipping a coin is a good way to solve a problem is because there's an equal chance, the same chance that it's going to come up tails or that it's going to come up heads, right? It's a totally fair chance, which means that if two people have a problem and I say, well, listen, I don't know of a better way to solve this problem, let's just flip a coin. Yes, Eitan. You got to unmute. Thank you.
I heard tail. I heard somebody say tail funny.
Tail bunny?
No, somebody said tail, a funny way, how to say it.
Oh, like tails? They said tails? Yeah. Okay.
Well, it sounded like a robot's voice how you said it.
So the reason we flip a coin to solve a problem between two people, or let's say not even necessarily a problem, but maybe we have a decision to make. Let's say we have a family of 4 people. Like Juliana, you were a family of 4, right? You and mom and dad and Gregory. Perfect. So let's say Juliana has, they've got family movie night, right? And they want to decide which movie to watch, but Juliana and her dad want to watch the Avengers, and Gregory and mom want to watch Home Alone, right? I'm just guessing. And so they can't decide because two of them want to watch one movie and two of them want to watch a different movie. How do you decide? What's a fair way to decide, right? And so one good way to decide is just to say, okay, guys, let's flip a coin. If it comes up heads, we watch the Avengers. If it comes up tails, we watch Home Alone, right? Let's come up with some situations where flipping a coin might be a good way to solve a problem. Maybe let's make some stuff up. Like I just made some stuff up for Juliana. Who wants to make up a situation for me where flipping a coin would be a good solution? Who wants to make one up? Who wants to tell us a story? Lisa, go ahead, Lisa. We got to think of two choices maybe that we would have, and we can't decide between them. What are two things you might try to decide between that you just can't decide? It's too hard. It's too overwhelming. Hang on, your name is not Lisa. If you want to talk, you got to come over here. Yes, Lisa.
One time I was like doing a movie and I was my dad and my mom was being in the phone with her friends and I was watching watch with my mom TV with her and she don't can so I asked her so we can flip the coins.
So you wanted your mom to watch TV with you, but she didn't want to?
Yeah.
And so you flip the coin?
Yeah. And also one time I was when I was born, my mommy like gave me milk and I don't want it, so we like we flip up coins again.
Oh yeah? I thought you were going to say, Lisa, that when you were born, your mommy couldn't decide whether she should name you Lisa or Bob. And so she was
Bob!
yeah, it's so hard. I don't know whether to name this
Lisa or Pisa?
Pisa? Pisa. I don't know if that was the case. But anyway, maybe that's what happened. Maybe your mom couldn't decide what to name you between two different names. So she flipped the coin. She's like, okay, if it comes up heads, I'm going to name you Lisa. If it comes up tails, I'm going to name you Bob. And I guess it came up heads, right? And Sammy, what about you, man? Can you make up a situation for us where we might use a coin to solve a problem?
I'm gonna think of one first.
Okay, think of one first. I see Lana with her hand up, and I see she's got a horse there, which is cool. Lana, can you think of a situation when you got to unmute yourself though if you want to talk? Good. What do you think, Lana?
When my sister, I'm gonna pretend that I'm playing with my horse, and Yeva said that she wants to play Uno, and we flip a coin. If it's gonna be a tail like my horse, then we're gonna play a horse. If it's gonna be in the top, then if it's gonna say Uno, then we're gonna play Uno.
Got it. So that's perfect. That's a big horse. That's a perfect.
Wait, that's my dad and mommy. На день рождения подарили.
Oh, you got it for your birthday. Very cool. And this is a perfect example. And Remy and Eitan, I see you with your hands up. Hang on one second. I'm gonna get to you. So Lana, what does that say? Sefer what? What does that say, Juliana? I see Sefer, and I didn't get to read the other word. What kind of book is it? Sefer. I can't read the second part. All right. Oh, perfect.
Look at my horse.
I see your horse has a blindfold on. Look, Dove drew two sides of a coin for us, the heads and the tails. Very good, Dove. Thank you. So I just want to tell you, Lana, I think that was a great.
Why did you want me to draw it? If you.
Because I'm going to use it as an example right now. I'm going to point to it. So, Lana, that was a great example where your sister wanted to play one game and you wanted to play with the horse. And so you flipped the coin. And I think it's really clever that you said, if it comes up tails, we're going to play with the horse because the horse has a tail, right? Very clever. I like that a lot, Lana. Very good example. Okay, Rami and Eitan, I see you had your hands up. So hang on a second. Who should go first? Do you think Rami should go first or Eitan should go first? I feel like they had their hands up at the same time. I'm muting everybody. I feel like Rami and Eitan had their hands up at the same time. How can we decide who gets to go first? Oh, maybe we should. I see. Yeah, well, let's flip a coin. Let's flip a coin. So I'm going to flip the coin so it's fair. Okay, so I'm going to flip a coin. And I'm going to ask Eitan. Eitan, would you like heads or tails?
I want to be head.
Heads. So if it comes up heads, Eitan is going to tell us first about the situation. If it comes up tails, Remy is going to tell us first. Okay, here we go. I'm flipping the coin. Pew! Okay, Dove, can you come and tell us where it landed?
Tails.
It's tails. So Remy gets to go first, and Eitan gets to go next. Okay, Remy, go ahead and tell us about what's an example of a situation we can use to solve with a coin flip.
Can I make one about you and Dove?
You can make whatever you want.
So if you want to watch The Incredibles and Dove wanted to watch Star Wars, then you could flip a coin.
Perfect. Excellent job, Remy. That's exactly right. Okay, Eitan. Go ahead. Tell us about a situation where we might use a coin to solve a problem or choose between two things.
My baby wants to watch Onward, and I want to watch Avengers. And my dad wants to watch Incredibles, and my mom wants to watch.
Well, Eitan, you're on the right track, but remember, in order for the coin flip to work, we have to choose between two different options, right? So we can't choose four options. We can only choose between two.
Avengers and Onwards.
Perfect. Avengers and Onwards. I like both of those movies. Hey, Daniel, are you there, buddy? Do you know how to unmute yourself? Can you unmute yourself? Yeah. Maybe not. Okay. Let's see. Who else wants to give us a situation where you might use a coin to decide between two different choices? Juliana. Yes, Juliana.
It wasn't about that. I think later if you want to.
Okay.
I have one now.
I could play a song on.
Oh, you want to play a song? Let's save the song for the end of our lesson today, okay? Let's remind me if I forget, but we'll do it at the end. Sammy, go ahead, buddy. I'm ready for you. What are you thinking?
Like if well, I need to know how to say it.
Okay, Sammy left us for a second. Anybody else? I have one for Daniel. Daniel, can I suggest one for you? Like I see that Daniel today is wearing a blue shirt. Is that right, Daniel? Are you wearing a blue shirt today? Can you look at your shirt and tell me if it's blue? What do you think? I think it's blue. Is it blue or is it green? I think it's blue. So, oh, it's a Mickey Mouse blue shirt. Oh, that's perfect. So let's pretend that Daniel woke up this morning, you guys, and he was like, I have two favorite t-shirts. Which one should I wear? I have this blue Mickey Mouse t-shirt. I love that one. But I also have this red Donald Duck t-shirt, right? I've got a cool red Donald Duck t-shirt, and I've got an awesome blue Mickey Mouse t-shirt, and I can't decide which one I should wear. What's a good way to solve that problem, right? Well, I know. What if I flip a coin? Yeah, exactly, Daniel. If it comes up heads, you wear the Mickey Mouse. If it comes up tails, you wear the Donald Duck. And I guess it came up heads because you're wearing the cool blue Mickey Mouse t-shirt, right? Good. Sammy, I see you're back. Did you figure it out? No, still. Can I help you figure something out in your answer? Tell me if I can help.
Like a game of freeze tag and capture the flag.
Oh, perfect. So you can't decide between those two games, freeze tag and capture the flag?
I don't know. I mean, I don't know how to say it.
Oh, how to say it? So let's pretend that you and Aya wanted to play.
I can't hear you.
How about now? Can you hear me now? Yeah. So pretend you and Aya were out in the park with a bunch of friends, and you wanted to play freeze tag, and Aya wanted to play capture the flag, and you couldn't decide between those two things. And so you were like, well, let's flip a coin. If it comes up heads, we'll play freeze tag. And then it comes up tails, we'll play capture the flag. Very good, guys. Very, very good. I think you all
Wait, tails is which?
Tails is capture the flag, and heads is freeze.
Okay, I'm gonna spin it.
Do it. But it's got to be a fair flip. You got to flip it fairly, okay? No cheating. Okay, very good. Now,
Okay.
I think
Wait, I need to flip it good first.
I think you guys all understand the coin.
Landed tails. Landed tails.
So capture the flag, right? Good job.
Yeah.
Okay.
We played it with our friends.
Perfect. So it looks like you guys all understand how we use a coin to solve a conflict. Yes, Eitan?
Can we watch animals?
I think you got your own animal thing going on later this week, right? Did you guys know that Eitan is doing a presentation on animals, I think on Friday, right, Eitan? We're going to let everybody know about that in case they want to come and watch your awesome presentation on Friday, right? Is that right?
Yes. Well, there are not that much people because we didn't know. And
okay, we can let our Green Schoolhouse friends know, and if they want to come and watch your awesome presentation, they can do it. Okay, fantastic. So you guys all understand the coin, right? Very good.
flip this. I could flip the dice and the coin, and I could catch it.
Perfect. So what I want you guys to do now is I want you to go to your box, and in your box, I know that you have a deck of cards, right? Everybody's got a deck of cards in their box. So what I want you to do, and you can do any two cards you want, but I want you to find one red card and one black card. It doesn't matter which card, as long as one of them is red.
Blue and blue. This is blue and
No. On the front of the card, not the back of the card is going to be blue or red, but I mean the front of the card. So see how Lisa's got a black king there, and then she's got a red. That's perfect, Lisa. Can you find a red card now also?
I think so.
I see Sammy's got a red 10 and a black 9. Very good. I've got a red 4 and a black 7. Juliana is trying to be cheap.
I got that one.
Juliana, no, that one doesn't count. I need to see like an actual card, Juliana. So put away the joker and get an actual red card, Juliana. A heart or a diamond.
Oh, have a joker.
I know which I'm gonna pick. I know which I'm gonna pick.
Remy, do you need to open yours?
Yeah. I got a joker.
There's a Remy. There's a little there's like a little plastic film around it, so you just have to kind of put your nail underneath it and scratch it a little bit, and then it's gonna tear, and then you can pull it apart.
I did it, clown.
Good.
Clown.
Yeah. So the clowns. So Eitan, you can put the clowns away. I want you to get two actual cards: a red one and a black one.
I have a black one.
Yeah, can you pick a black and red card?
Look, Sasha.
Yes.
Look.
Perfect. Lana, very good. Very good, Lana.
I have this one and this one.
Very good, Lisa. Very good. Who else is ready? Remy is still not working?
Ready? I picked my own cards.
Are your parents somewhere nearby, Remy, that they can help you? Can you ask your parents to help you open? Okay. Lana's good. Sammy's good. He's got the ace of spades and the ace of, what is that, hearts or diamonds there? Hearts. Good.
Oh, that's spade, right? With
That
this
is a
heart.
spade. That's a spade, yeah. I see Lana, good job. Juliana,
These are strong cards from it.
Lana's ready. Rami's ready. Lisa is almost ready. Eitan, how are you doing, buddy?
Almost ready.
How are you doing?
I got red and I got a king and a black clown.
No clowns. We need to see an actual card. Good.
I cannot find it. I don't like cleaning up, and they already have the big mess to clean up.
Any card. Okay, so we're going to move forward, guys. So I hope you have a black and a red card. Remy is going to come back any moment now with her cards. You got it, Remy?
I got 2 cards.
Good. Good job. Dove's got 2. Oh, perfect. Dove's got a black ace and a red ace. Good. Very good. So what I want to tell you guys is that one way we solve the conflict with just now is we use the coin, right? We use the coin flip. And just like Dove was telling us, the reason that a coin flip works is because both sides of the coin have the same chance of flipping up, right? The tails and the heads each have the same chance, 1 in 2 chance of coming up. You have 2 sides, and when you flip the coin, only one of them is going to land, right? So it's a really fair way of solving a conflict. Remy, very good, except we need a red card. One of those needs to be red. So find a red one. One should be black and one should be red. Very good. So what I want to tell you guys is here, each one of us now has a red and a black card, right, Spencer?
Yes,
Can you see the red and black? Perfect, Spencer. Very good. So every one of us, very good, Lisa. Every one of us has a red and a black card. And
finally.
You got it. Very good. And if I told you guys, well, let me give you a situation. Let's say, oh, I got it. We were going to have pizza tonight, and I wanted pepperoni pizza, but Dove wanted just a plain cheese pizza. And we couldn't decide. Should we have pepperoni pizza or plain cheese pizza? And we couldn't agree, right? So then I said to Dove, hey, Dove, you know what? How about this? We're going to take these 2 cards, a red card and a black card. We're going to shuffle them up. We're going to put them face down so we can't see. And you get to pull 1 card. And if you pull the red one, we're going to have plain cheese pizza. But if you pull the black one, we're going to have the pepperoni pizza, right? So we're going to, Dove, do you want to pull a card? Which pizza are we going to have? We're going to have cheese.
I'm picking red. This is red.
I'm going to shuffle them up.
No.
The important thing is you shouldn't be able to see. So if you want to put on your froggy blindfold, this is a great time to do it. Why don't you put this blindfold on, Dove, so you can't see? Put it on. Put it on. Put the blindfold on. That's why we have the blindfold, so we can't cheat, okay? So we got the froggy blindfold on. Okay, so if Dove pulls the red card, it's going to be, I'm going to hold it like this so you guys can see it, but he can't see it, okay? He can't see it. Don't cheat. If he pulls the red card, we're going to have cheese pizza. But if he pulls the black card, we're going to have pepperoni pizza. Dove, can you pick one of the 2 cards, please?
What this card is?
Red! I did red this time.
Which one did you
red
get,
this time.
guys? Which card did Dove get?
Red.
Oh, red. So we're having cheese pizza. Very good.
Yay!
All right. Now, who else wants to pull cards over there? Let's have Remy's got her 2 cards. So Remy, shuffle up your
I'm going to do more cards. I'm going to do more cards.
We will. So Remy, shuffle your cards up so you can't see them. Turn them upside down so you can only see the back, okay, not the front.
I could remember so good.
Just
I know the black one is on the back. The red
Yes.
one is in the front.
So Remy is gonna put her blindfold on. She's gonna hold the 2 cards in her hand. Good. Hold the 2 cards in your hand, Remy. Good. So you can't see them, right, Remy?
What is this?
Good. Remy can't see them.
What color is this?
If Remy pulls the red card, she's gonna have strawberry ice cream. But if Remy pulls the black card, she is going to have, what kind of ice cream should she have for the black? Vanilla. If she pulls the black card, she's going to have vanilla ice cream. If she pulls the red card, she's going to have strawberry. Okay, Remy, go ahead. Pick one card.
Mine is all mixed up, so there's so much red ones, one black one.
You pick the black card, which means she's going to have vanilla. Good. You take off your blindfold. Take a look. Who else wants to try with the cards?
Me.
Okay. Oh,
I don't know if I want
hang on a second. Wait, I saw Lana and Lisa say me. I heard them say me at the same time, but I couldn't quite tell who said me first. How should we decide who goes?
I say me.
Let's flip the coin. Lana. I know I heard you, Lisa. We're going to flip a coin between you and Lana to see who gets to go
I'm
first.
gonna flip one.
I'll flip one.
Lisa, heads or tails?
Well, don't cheat, Lisa.
Lisa, tell me heads or tails. I'm going to flip the coin. Lisa, tell me heads or
Okay.
tails.
I have a head.
No, tell me. I'm going to flip the coin between you guys. Heads or tails, Lisa?
Tail. I'm gonna have tail.
Lana's going to say tails. Okay, here we go. I'm flipping the coin. Flip, catch. And is it tails or heads? That's tails. Okay, Lana goes first. It was tails. Go ahead, Lana.
Yeah.
So can you hold your red and black cards together so we can see them?
Okay.
I landed on heads.
Okay, very good. Lana's got her red and black cards. Show us. Perfect. And Lana, let's see. Lana's going to do... Oh, Lana was talking about toys. She liked to play with different toys with her sister. So Lana, if you pick the black card, you and your sister are going to play Uno. But if you pick the red card, you and your sister are going to play with a horse, okay? So close the blindfold, shuffle up the cards, mix them up so you don't know which one is which. Mix it up so it's fair. Mix it up, mix it up, mix it up, mix it up, mix it up. Okay, here we go. Black card is Uno, red card is horse. Pick one card, show us. The black card, Uno. It's going to be Uno. Okay, very good, Lana. Lisa, your turn. Go ahead. What are we gonna choose between? What are our 2 options for you, Lisa?
I'm on the black one.
I'm gonna go after Lisa.
Okay. Do you want to pick between like different ice creams or different games or?
Different ice creams. Because then they would have basketball.
Yeah. Yes.
Sasha, I want to tell you one thing.
Tell me one thing.
Remember when ты помнишь, когда мы вчера с перемешали?
Yes.
Перемешали, who get the orange one, who get ice cream, who...
Да, я помню.
Я вчера это не делала, поэтому я хочу сегодня это делать.
Ты не смогла сегодня шариком. Хорошо, мы сделаем обязательно. I promise. Okay, Lisa, what are your 2 favorite ice cream flavors in the whole world?
Mine is chocolate and vanilla.
Okay, so chocolate and vanilla. So here, everybody meet Lisa. Lisa is a beautiful girl. She's 5 years old. She's got wonderful red hair. She's got a really cool Hello Kitty chair. And she has 2 favorite ice cream flavors, and she can never decide between them. She can never decide whether to have chocolate ice cream or vanilla ice cream because she likes them both equally as much, right? And so we decided, well, Lisa's going to have ice cream tonight, but how do we pick which flavor? So Lisa's going to have her 2 cards, the red card and the black card, and she's going to mix them up. Put on your blindfold, Lisa. She puts on her blindfold, mixes up the cards. Mix them up. Don't cheat. Mix them up so you can't see. You don't know which one is which.
Use the dice.
Okay, and put on your blindfold, Lisa. And so if Lisa picks the red one, it's going to be chocolate. But if she picks the black one, it's going to be vanilla. Okay, pick one and show us. And it is the Red one. Red one is vanilla. Very good. So Lisa's gonna have vanilla ice cream.
I
Okay.
wanted it to be red because I also like vanilla.
You like vanilla. Very good. Who wants to
Actually,
go?
it has to be chocolate.
Let's do one more person with the cards. Who else wants to go with the cards? Sammy. Sammy, go ahead and get a black card and a red card. Don't worry, guys. Everybody will have a turn. We're gonna do some.
I'm using 4 of them.
Oh, wait a second. What do you mean you're using 4? How is that fair if you have 4 cards? Sammy, you have to explain to us, how does that work?
No, but there's two red and 2 black.
Oh, wait a second, everybody. Hang on. I think Sammy has a really good idea here. Are you telling me, Sammy, that if you have 2 red cards and 2 black cards, then your chances of picking a black card or picking a red card are the same?
Out of 2. I mean 2 out of 4.
So you're saying that if you have 2 black cards and 2 red cards, it's the same chance of picking out either color as having 1 red card and 1 black card?
Yeah. I mean, no.
Oh.
No.
Hang on a second. What if so let me ask you this question. What if instead of having 2 red cards and 2 black cards, we have 3 red cards and 3 black cards? Is that the same?
Yes.
Who thinks it's the same?
Me.
Oh my God.
50%.
I think we're onto something here, you guys. What if, okay, hang on a second. This is crazy, but just bear with me for a second here. What if we have 17 red cards and 17 black cards? That can't possibly be the same, right?
Yeah.
Who thinks it's the same? Really, Rami? You think it's the same? Why do you think it's the same, Rami? But we have 17.
Because 17 and 17 is the same number.
Oh, okay. Okay, well here, let me propose this. We are gonna have 26 red cards and 26 black cards. There is no way that that's the same, right, Juliana?
It is the same.
It's the same?
And then you would have 52 cards.
Wait a second. You're telling me that if I have 26 black cards and 26 red cards, and I pull 1 card out of that deck, you're telling me that I have the same chance of pulling out a red card or a black card?
Yes. Yeah.
Yes.
Whoa.
And you would also have 52 cards in total.
And you would have 52 cards. Does anybody know how many cards are in this deck of cards that you're holding right now?
52.
52. Okay, so you're telling me, I just want to make sure I understand this correctly. You guys tell me if I'm wrong on this. You're telling me that if I tell you, okay, we're going to decide between chocolate ice cream and strawberry ice cream. If we pick a black card out of this deck, it's going to be chocolate. But if we pick a red card out of this deck, it's going to be strawberry. You're telling me that picking a card out of a deck of 52 cards where 26 are black and 26 are red is the same as flipping a coin where we just have 2 sides. Are you telling me that's the same?
Yes.
Yes.
You're saying this is the same? The chances of pulling out a black card from here are the same as flipping heads on a coin?
Yes.
You guys are crazy. You guys are crazy. What are you talking about? These are cards. They're made out of paper. They have stuff printed on them, and this is a coin. It's made out of metal. It's small and round, and these are rectangular. They're different shape. How can it possibly be the same?
Because it's
Number, shape, or color doesn't make a difference?
No.
What makes a difference then? Why? How can they be the same?
number.
The number of what? The number of what?
26 is the same as 26.
Okay, so you're saying that in order for it to be the same chances, the number of possibilities has to be the same, right? So in this deck of cards, we have two possibilities. We can either pull out a red card or we can pull out a black card. Are there any blue cards in this deck?
No.
Are there any green cards in this deck?
No.
Are there any rainbow colored cards in this deck?
No.
No, so there's just two colors, red and black, right? And does this coin have any extra sides to it, or does it just have two sides? Two. So the coin has two sides, the deck has two colors, and you're saying that these chances are exactly equal. All right, well, let me ask you this then. Let me ask you this. I've got two balls in the box. I've got an orange ball and a blue ball.
The yellow ball.
Yellow ball? Okay, we can call it yellow. So I've got a blue ball and an orange and a yellow ball, right, Lana?
No, it's a green ball.
And if I give you, let me give you this situation. Let me give you this situation. Lana is trying to decide between having
I want to do the blindfold.
Come here.
If he pulls out an orange ball out of the bucket, then she's gonna get orange ice cream.
Okay.
And if he pulls out a blue one,
Okay.
she's gonna get blueberry ice cream.
Blueberry ice cream. But so you're so you guys, what you're telling me is that if she has to decide between two ice cream flavors, she can pick one of these two balls out of the box, and this is going to give her the same chances to decide as the coin and as the 52 cards in here. Is that what you guys are saying?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. So to decide between two flavors of ice cream, she can either pick one of the two balls out of a box that are different colors, or she can pick a coin, or she can pick a card out of the deck of cards. Is that what you're saying?
I think she wants blue.
But I just don't, I can't understand something. How can it be the same if these balls are round and they're different colors, and this coin is not round at all, it's flat? Yes.
Can I choose what flavor ice cream from
Yeah.
the balls?
Put two balls in the box, Lana. Just two balls, an orange one and a blue.
Do my mind.
And I want you to pull out one of the balls from the box, Lana.
Okay.
Okay, put the blindfold on. Put the blindfold on so you can't see. Put the blindfold on. Shake up the box. Shake it up. Shake it up. Shake it up. Shake it up. Okay, pull it out. Are you going to have orange ice cream or blueberry ice cream? Pull out a ball.
Blueberry ice cream.
You got a blue ball? How do you know? You still have your blindfold on.
I know. I just said that I want blueberry.
Okay, so close the thing, shake up the box, pull out a ball.
Take out a ball.
And what does she have? Show us, Lana, show us. Ah, congratulations, Lana. Very
I
good.
think she cheated.
Okay, but you think she cheated? Okay, but let me ask you guys this. To go back to what I see your hand up, Remy. 1 second. Let me ask you guys this. If I put all the balls in the box, so 5 blue and 5 orange, are you telling me that if I reach back into this box to pull out a ball, I'm going to have the same chances as if I flip a coin or if I pull a card from the deck? Are you saying those chances are the same? I see Juliana nodding. Why, Juliana? Why are they the same? I don't understand.
Because if you have 2 balls, it's that there's 2 numbers of kinds of ball. 1 and another 1, and 2 is split into 1, so there's 2 ones. And if you pull out a card from the deck, you're gonna have 26 red, 26 black, and it's like the same because they're both the same number.
Oh, okay. Okay, I think I understand now. So as long as both of the options have the same number, like for example, in the box, as long as you have 5 orange and 5 blue, and as long as you have 26 black and 26 red cards in the deck, and as long as you have only two sides to this coin, heads and tails, as long as those are the same number of opportunities, it's the same chance, right? So if I had, for example, 4 orange balls.
Can I do my blindfold now?
Hang on, Sammy. So Sammy, if I had 4 orange balls in the box and I had 5 blue balls in the box, would that be the same as flipping a coin? No? Why not?
4 orange is not the same as 5 blues.
Okay, so the possibilities are not equal
because 4 is less than 5.
Yes, exactly. Well, what about Remy? Remy, are you there? Where'd you go? Oh, she disappeared into the darkness. Eitan, what if I have 20 black cards in the deck and 25 red cards? Is that the same as flipping a coin?
No.
No? Why not? Who says no? Why not?
What are you writing, Juliana?
Why is it not the same? If I have 25 red cards and 20 black cards,
I'm still writing. Come
Why is-
on.
why is it not the same? Yes, Remy, why is it not the same?
Do this.
Because you have 25 red cards is more than 20 black cards.
That's right. Very good. Okay, now I'm going to ask you guys a really hard question. Really, really hard question. So I hope you're ready. Maybe somebody might be able to help me with this. Maybe Mila. We'll see. So we have now 3 examples in our box, right? 3 things that we have. We have a deck of cards with 52 cards in it that have 26 reds and 26 black. We have a coin which has 2 sides to it. And we have a box with 10 balls in it, 5 of them orange and 5 of them blue. Let me ask you this. This is a really hard question. This is like a 4th grade level question. So maybe not even Juliana's brother can answer this. Can you give me...
One time I had a question that's like 10th grade stuff.
Can you give me an example, guys, of some other tool, something else that we could use similar to our cards, similar to our coin or our balls, that we could use to have the same chances to solve a problem? A coin we already have. What's that, Sam?
Cards.
Well, no, we already have cards. We already have a coin and we already have balls. What else can we use that would give us the same chance? Juliana, yes.
Of winning.
Dice, but how many sides are there on a die?
6.
There are 6 sides. I'm talking about things
You
that...
can pick 3 of them.
Paper.
What about, hang on, I want something that only has 2 possibilities. Anybody else? Remy, yeah.
A doll.
A doll?
One side of the doll can be one side and then the other side.
Okay, well that would have to mean that if you throw the doll up in the air, that it has the same chance of landing on its stomach or on its back, right? Yeah, that might work. That might work, Remy. What else? Eitan, I see you got your hand up. What else?
A dice, but or the mask, but you can use the dice just.
I know.
You
You
pick.
can
Two
Hold on, Sammy, hang on. I think Eitan is going to tell us something really important here.
size of dots, and if you get one what you didn't choose, you could go again.
You guys, I think Eitan is really onto something here. I think he has a really good idea. The die has how many numbers on it? Who remembers?
6.
It has 6. So that gives us 6 possibilities, right?
But I said we could do 3 of them.
Exactly. Eitan and Sammy together solved it. So if we use the die, we could say, okay, I'm going to roll this die. If I get a 1, 2, or 3, then we eat chocolate ice cream. But if I get a 4, 5, or 6, we eat strawberry ice cream, right? Does that sound like the coin now?
I
Does
like
that sound-
chocolate more than chocolate.
But I already said that.
That's very good. You guys got it exactly right. Can anybody think of something else that we might use to a phone?
Wait, you can put the blind.
A blindfold.
You could throw the blindfold in the air.
And pick one of them, and it like a paper, and if it says the right answer, that means you're gonna do like whatever, like.
That's right. That's a very good, yes. Come over here and tell us. If you want to speak, you need to come to the microphone and tell the kids what your idea is.
Today you're gonna flip the card if it's red,
It was me. Let's say it was me.
then I am gonna get water, and today evening I'm gonna throw cold water at you while you're in the shower, but you're not gonna put water on you. You're not gonna stay in the shower with water, and then I'm gonna throw it at you, and you're not gonna get any water, just cold water that I'm gonna throw. Or if you get a black one,
Me is Juliana. She changed her name right away.
then we are gonna have
You changed your name right away.
then okay,
Wait, who left her name?
then
Why don't you
Who
go
left the meeting?
order your thought over there?
okay, and then we're gonna have to put a lot of stuff on you in the shower.
Yeah.
Then if you don't, then we're gonna throw something at you in the shower. Me, you're gonna throw it at me, I'm gonna throw it at you, and Mommy's gonna throw it at.
Okay, done. Very good. Let me ask you guys this question because I see that Mila has a cat there.
Papa, why can't you do my thing?
We're going to do your thing in a second. We're going to do it. So I'm going to re-explain to the kids what you said. But right now I see that Mila has a cat there. And what if I said, okay, I'm gonna throw the cat in the air. I'm gonna throw Mila's cat in the air. And if Mila's cat lands on its back, then we're gonna eat chocolate ice cream. But if Mila's cat lands on its feet, we're gonna have strawberry ice cream. What are you talking about? The cat has two sides, right? It can either land on its back or it can land on its feet. Why?
Cats land on their feet always.
Cats land on their feet always. Who agrees with that? Who thinks cats always land on their feet? Wow, everybody agrees, huh? So then why doesn't that work? Why is it not a fair way to solve a problem?
Because a cat is he is very specific, and he could jump very high.
Okay, so I got it. So because a cat will always land on its feet.
A cat could jump like this high as you're sealing
Yeah.
your office. He could jump that high.
He probably
From the
can.
bottom to the top of that slide. That's like this.
Okay,
high.
so
Yeah, a cat is very, very specific, and it could jump very, very
okay,
high.
so I think this Dove brings up a really good point, and thank you, Mila, for letting us use your cat as an example.
What,
The reason-
did she throw it in the
No, she didn't actually throw it in the air.
Okay, but if I bring Steven,
No, no.
please stop.
No, we're not gonna do that here.
No, please.
No, I said no. If Mila wants to, she can.
But I do it outside, and I'll do it outside in the garage, and
I don't want you to actually throw him up in the air. I just want you to hold him gently, slightly above the ground, and then let him go and see how he lands. Do not actually throw the cat. I was just kidding about that. So Dove brought up a really good point, though, that the reason we can flip a coin and we can trust that the chances are the same is because each side of the coin weighs the same. The coin is not going to have a preference for where it lands. The coin doesn't decide what it's going to do. The coin just, flies through the air and lands where it lands, right? But a cat decides, I'm always going to land on my feet. That's its instinct, right? That's how it works. So throwing a cat up in the air and hoping that okay, well, if the cat lands on its back or if the cat lands on its paw, on its feet, then we'll make a choice. It doesn't work like that, right? Because a cat always makes its own choice. Yes, Juliana.
Or you could also flip a card.
You could flip a card. That's exactly right. You could flip a card because both sides of the card have the same chance of landing.
Do my blindfold.
You could, and you could
Can I do my
take
blindfold
two
now?
cards and like, so they fly in the air, and what comes on the back, that one is gonna be.
Yes, absolutely. Okay, Sammy, what do you want to do? You want to pull a card out of the deck?
Yeah.
Okay. Are we going to do a red card or a black card with you, Sammy?
I'm doing black card.
Okay, so wait, so you're going to, you're going to mix up, you're going to use the whole deck, right? All 52 cards?
Not the whole deck. Not the whole deck. 4 of them.
Just 4 cards. Okay, so Sammy, show us that you have 2 black and 2 red cards so we can make sure you're not cheating over there. He's got 1 red, 2 red, 1 black, and 2 black. Okay, perfect. So turn them upside down, shuffle them up so you can't see where they are, so you can remember their places.
Shuffle them down.
Put your blindfold on.
Oh,
So
I'm not looking at them. I'm
so what we're gonna do now is if
I'm gonna see.
you no looking, if Sammy pulls out a black card, I'm gonna tell you guys a joke. Oh, I didn't finish talking yet. I guess I'm gonna tell you guys a joke. Yes. Steve landed on his feet, everybody. Public service announcement. Our cat Steve. Yes, our cat Steve landed on his feet. And there he is. He's very happy to be here, obviously. You can see in his face how happy he is to be here. Very good. Take him away. Okay, perfect. So I'm going to tell you guys a joke. Do you guys want to hear 2 short jokes and 1 long joke?
I need to go.
Yeah, we all have to go. So 2 short jokes and 1 long joke. Ready?
I have a joke.
Joke.
Joe.
That's 2 short jokes and 1 long joke. Joke. Get it?
Joe.
Okay. Fantastic, you guys. We have to go as well. This was a wonderful lesson.
Can I say a joke?
I'm so proud of all you guys. You were super, super smart today, and I loved
How does a chicken stay in shape?
last joke by Sammy and Mila. Go ahead, Sammy.
Exercise.
Exercise, that's kind of a pun, right? Yes, Mila.
Exercise.
I have a joke.
Hold on, Mila, come closer. Mila, come closer so we can hear you.
I
Come
wrote the
closer.
answer in chat.
Joke.
Come closer.
Knock knock Joe.
Okay, tell us a knock knock joke. Go.
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Interrupting goose.
Interrupting Goose who?
Quack.
Oh, interrupting Goose was late.
Oh no.
Hang on.
Knock knock.
Hold on, you weren't next. Lisa was next. Go ahead, Lisa.
What bubbles in the sky?
What bubbles in the sky?
Yes.
Bubble gum? I don't know.
No, it's not a bubble gum.
What bubbles in the sky?
It's a bubble copter.
Bubble copter. Okay, very good. Dove, come tell your joke and then we gotta go.
Knock knock.
Come over here and tell it.
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Interrupting cow.
Interrupting cat? Oh, he got me. Okay, guys. Good job, everybody. I'll see you tomorrow. Have a wonderful day. Enjoy the beautiful weather. Bye, guys.